Hi, everybody. I thought that it would be a good idea to go over week 10 content as we're moving forward in the coursework. And so let's see what is in store for this week, week 10. So this week's focus is going to be on healthy sexual function. Uh, and this is a challenge in some people's life. And as healthcare providers, we need to ensure that we are being open with our patient population so that they feel comfortable speaking with us about these things. And sexual dysfunction happens in both men and women. Sometimes women are unable to achieve orgasm. Sometimes men may have difficulty with erectile dysfunction. And so that is the focus of the chapters in Alexander, chapter 26. Another piece that we're going to cover this week is infertility. Infertility is a very it's a topic that evokes a lot of emotion when you have people who are struggling to try to get pregnant. I worked for a period of time in an infertility clinic. I was just covering while someone was on a leave, and I accepted the experience, and I did value it a great deal. However, I learned a lot about the dynamics of those who are trying to achieve a pregnancy. It's a very emotional period in their life. Not only is it an emotional period in their life because they're trying to obtain a pregnancy and are unable to do so, but oftentimes we're injecting them with hormones to increase their production of eggs, and those hormones leave issues as well. So lots of challenges dealing with these two populations of patients. And again, one of the best tools that you can use is your listening tools. So the ability to sit and actively listen to someone, know the right questions to ask, to encourage others to be open and honest with you, great deal of help. So let us see. This is the week for the Prezi presentation. I know there have been some challenges related to this, but hopefully this is a skill that you've learned that you'll bring forward in your careers. I have stated in other presentations that I'm a PowerPoint girl. However, I have really been interested in Prezi. I had a student once do a presentation for me in using the Prezi format, and it was new and interesting. It brought a new, I don't know, it just opened up a new avenue for watching a presentation. And I enjoyed it. And I've been meaning to investigate this further. And now that I'm done with my doctorate degree, I really think that I'm going to dive in and become more comfortable with Prezi. So I really look forward to looking at those presentations, and I do appreciate all of the work that you're putting into them. So if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me, and I'll help you in any manner that I can. Have a good evening.